In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slide Master View in PowerPoint 2013. We'll start by opening your file so you can see changes in context. Launch PowerPoint 2013, then open an existing presentation or start a new blank one. Either way works. The Slide Master will control the overall look and feel of your slides, so it's perfect whether you're refining a finished deck or starting from scratch. Next, let's move into Slide Master View. Go to the View tab on the ribbon at the top. In the Master Views group, click Slide Master. Your screen will switch layouts, and you'll know you're in the right place when you see a special Slide Master tab appear and a different set of tools become available. Before we edit, take a moment to understand what you're seeing. On the left, there's a panel that shows the master hierarchy. At the very top is a large master slide. This is the main template for your presentation, and any edits you make here will affect all slides that use this master. Below it are smaller layout slides, such as a title slide, title and content, and other common layouts. Edits to these affect only the slides that are using that specific layout. Let's make universal changes on the main master slide. Click the top slide in the left panel. Here you can set the default font style and size for titles and body text, move or resize placeholders so content lands exactly where you want it, add a company logo, change the background color, or insert footers. For example, to add a logo that appears across your deck, go to Insert, choose Picture, select your image, then resize and position it in a consistent corner. Keep it small enough that it supports your content without distracting from it. If you use footers, align them with your brand and ensure they're legible against the background. Now fine-tune individual layout slides. Click any layout beneath the master to adjust layout-specific details. You might reposition the title box, tweak bullet styles, tighten or expand spacing, or include subtle background graphics. These edits apply only to slides using that layout, so it's a great way to tailor different slide types while keeping a unified design. To polish the look, use the Home tab for text formatting and the Design tab to pick colors and themes that match your brand. You can also add shapes, icons, or other design elements directly in Slide Master View to keep them consistent throughout. When you're finished, click Close Master View on the Slide Master tab. PowerPoint returns to normal view and your slides will reflect all the updates you made. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.